Bidyalaxmi here. We are going to discuss Hirschberg's test. So Hirschberg's test is a test to examine the amount of squint by observing corneal reflex. To proceed with the test, the examiner shines a small light in front of the patient's eye from a distance of 33 centimeters. And the examiner observed the corneal reflex in the patient's eye. And if the patient has no strabismus, the two corneal reflex appears to be symmetrical inside the patient's pupil. And if the patient is having strabismus, the corneal reflex of the two eyes appears to be asymmetrical. And to measure the amount of misalignment, 1 mm of decentration of corneal reflex is considered to be 7 degree or 15 prism diopter of ocular deviation. So here we observe the direction of corneal reflex and determine the types of squint. So in the first figure, the corneal reflex appears to be decentered temporally due to the eye turn inward, so it indicates esotropia. And in the next figure, the corneal reflex appears to be decentered nasally in the left eye, so it indicates exotropia in the left eye. And in the third figure, the corneal reflex decentered downwardly due to the eye turn upward, so it indicates hypertropia. And in the last figure, the corneal reflex move upward from the primary position due to the eye turn downward, so it indicates hypotropia. And to determine the amount of squint, we consider 1 mm of decentration gives approximately 15 prism diopter. So in the first figure, the two corneal reflex appears to be symmetrical, so it is considered as orthophoric eye. But in the second figure, the corneal reflex of the left eye appears to be decentered at the pupillary border, and it gives around 2 mm of decentration, and the amount of squint is approximately 30 prism diopter of esotropia. And in the third figure, the corneal reflex is decentered temporally and it falls between the pupillary border and limbus, so it gives around 3 mm of decentration. So the amount of squint will be approximately 45 prism diopter of esotropia. And in the last figure, the corneal reflex falls nearly at the limbus, so it gives 4 mm of decentration temporally. Thus the amount of squint is approximately 60 prism diopter of esotropia. Thank you for watching.